Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how I made this leather messenger bag. I decided to make this bag on the fly, meaning that I'm going off of pure vision alone. So because I'm going off of vision, I have to start out with my pattern piece, and once I make the proper adjustments, I can move on to creating the bag. For this bag, I'll be using the Red Rock Waxy Pull-Up. You guys, I really love this leather. If you haven't noticed, a couple of my videos I've used this leather in particular. It's just something about working with this leather, especially in sewing on a machine. I do prefer hand stitch bags, but just to give you guys a variety of types of bags to make, especially on a sewing machine, this leather is perfect for that. And of course, you know I am whipping out my double-sided tape. I'm telling you, when it comes to bag making, especially when you are sewing leather on a sewing machine, this double-sided tape is life. It really does get the job done. Right here, I'm just applying some leather cement to the strap tabs. Anytime I'm using a lighter weight leather, in order to give it the stability that I need to, I always double it up with a second layer of leather, just so that it's not flimsy and it actually has some body to it. And if you don't already know, I love to edge coat my edges. I'm just not a fan of raw edges. There's something about edge coating that just gives it that extra level of quality. Now, if you've ever had to turn your leather right side out, you know how painful this can be. So a really great technique that I've learned over time is to start with the corners first. Once you get one corner pushed in, you kind of gradually press out the leather from there. I don't know why, but for some odd reason, it prevents my leather from being damaged or looking like it's worn out. Also, I don't have it here, but another technique that I learned in fashion design school and making clothes, I use the same technique for making bags, but anytime I'm working with round corners, I use something with a round edge and I punch out my corners just to make things nice and even. Now we're going to move on to the strap. I actually had a vision for a two-tone strap. So what I did was used a natural veg tan pre-cut strap and I placed the Red Rock waxy pull-up on top with leather cement. I let that dry and here I'm just cutting out the double pieces that I need to complete my adjustable strap. And to personalize the bag just a little bit, I'm going to use my hot foil stamping machine and add my logo to the strap. And there you have it. Our leather messenger bag is complete. It just goes to show you that with a vision, the right tools, and some beautiful leather, you can bring your vision to life as well. Don't be afraid to test out whatever crazy ideas you might have in your mind. You never know where it can go or how it will turn out. I really love the style of this bag. The only thing I would do differently is add some edge coat to these straps because I am not feeling these raw edges. Other than that, I'm here for this bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will catch you on the next one. Peace.